Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Ka kertong juga parti National People's Party NPP ka metap Chandi Agitok Sangma kala job ke election siteng samoy na gamba constituency hakaba kala tam hadu 1,000 sanspa khnai psau vote ka metap Kandi Agitok Sangma ka badairu ka kuriam ju menteri rang ba ka jelau konat ke Sangma hadin karau ka basau kala yo kan arhaja nrus pa new pupra bat kelatam da 1,000 sanspa khnai psau vote ya ka kertong juga All India Trinamool Congress AITC ka Sadiarani M Sangma kabalayo da prajar prapsau votes kabalawan baar u kertong ka Indian National Congress u Jingjang M Marak uwan balai badulayo new hajar nrus pa khandai pusan votes u Bernard N Marag juga Bharatiya Janata Party BJP ulayo news patch for vote bat ki arngut ki kertong shimek independen kata Jerry E Sangma ulayo news pa 100 vote bat u Sengrabat M Marag ulayo chispa saupunyo vote kat ba nota khandai pusan votes
Uang tak ya? Working president tak? Dia. Working president tak? Apa ya? Hai, group photo nama hai. Hai, ba.
Mama buat semua. Mama ya mama dulu.
The results are as per expectation. So we're very happy that the people of Gambegri have voted for development, and we are very committed to that. And once again, would like to take this opportunity to thank the people of Gambegri. We still have to wait. We still have the last round left. So let's wait for the final results and the announcement. But looking at the trends, it looks like we are quite comfortable, and we should be good.
And the trend, TMC has come second, so the bastion of the Congress has ended.
See, every election is different. One has to look at election from a different perspective, and things change. Voters are intelligent, even though they may be from rural areas, but they know what is good for them and how they should vote in every election. So this election, as I said, they have voted specifically for change in terms of the constituency and development. So future also we have to see how things go, and every election is to be looked at from a different point.
How are you celebrating, sir?
No, nothing. We're just happy. We thank God for His blessings. We thank the people of Gambegri, and we thank, most importantly, all our leaders who have worked tirelessly to ensure that we were able to reach to this level in this election. So
Thank you, sir. We have